In this video, we will learn how to add a blogger website in Google Search Console. So first, I will just copy this blogger website link, and after that, Google Search Consoles, and I will add another property. Here we will see the two options: domain or URL prefix. Always better URL prefix. Then continue. Already verified. So this is done. And after that, if we come here and want to set sitemaps, then we will go here sitemaps, and for this we will just type sitemap.xml and hit the submit button, and this is notify when views. That's it.